will the North African and Middle Eastern People's Revolution type possible in Ethiopia? The Ethiopian regime's appalling human rights record and its degree of corruption is worse than the tyrannical regimes of Tunisia, Egypt, and other North African and Middle Eastern countries that have been thrown or are being thrown out of office by the recent People's Revolution, who have for long yearned for democracy, freedom, and the rule of law. The persons of Tigray origin control and dominate all the decisive positions of power and ownership in today's Ethiopia. The Tigrays, who constitute not more than 6% of the 18 million population of the country, are overrepresented in all government positions, military forces, security positions, and diplomatic missions, whereas the Oromo and others are underrepresented and marginalized. The Meles regime is not only a tyranny, it is an unjust minority rule. Just like the Egyptians, the Oromo and all the people suffering under the TPLF dictatorship are yearning for liberty, human dignity, democracy, and the rule of law. All the people in Ethiopia are saying loud and clear, enough to the tyrannical minority rule, enough to the human rights violations, enough to state terrorism, enough to the fake periodic elections, enough to corruption of state government officials, enough to injustice. These days, the tyrants of Ethiopia are also feeling the wind of revolutions blowing strongly in North Africa and Middle Eastern countries. In a desperate attempt and hope to preempt an inevitable popular revolution, the Zenawi dictatorial regime is discriminatorily rounding up and arresting thousands of Oromos. The whereabouts of the arrested Oromos is unknown. This is what I wrote when I prepared my speech. Now I have an evidence that proves my speech. And a fellow Oromo handed to me a paper from International Red Cross Committee. This information is about a lady who is a mother of 4 minor children who was jailed in Ethiopia in an unknown place. The ICRC tried to locate where this mother of 4 ladies arrested.